Tuli ku London City International era nga His Excellency the President of Uganda baganda baffe abazungu bamwaniriza mu ssanyu ery'enjawulo era nga kyolaba awo mukwano gwange muganda wange yembeera His Excellency the President of Uganda Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi gyatuukiddemu era gyali mutwongero bajjukiza n'obategeeza nti baganda baffe ab'e London President wali nnyo era wali bulungi nnyo buli kimu kiri set, buli kimu kiri malidaadi sanda tweyanziza nnyo. We are welcome Mr. President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi era twebaza okuba nti nno oze era tukweyanziza nnyo muganda waffe Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi His Excellency aba ayingiddewo era nga tugenda mu the return of the gladiator with His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi the President of Uganda. Abalala temulina kye mutugamba, ffe tulina mukulembeze w'eggwanga Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine. Yes, baganda bange President beetesiteese bulungi okwaniriza President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine wano e London era nga President waffe omulungi ow'abantu Kyagulanyi Ssentamu essuubi ly'Abannayuganda, omukulembeze w'abantu, President w'Abannayuganda, President gwe tulinamu essuubi n'essanyu yenna banange abanga ali mu bitundu eby'e London. Baganda baffe ab'e London tubasaba nti mwegategate banange twanirize President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine.
Already cleared it and tell us what are chigana chonna. Let me tell you something. The naysayers have already stated.
Buli kimu kiri fine. Katulabe embeera nga bweri nga His Excellency elected President of Uganda Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ate abazungu bamwaniriza mu ssanyu. Omuzungu Patricia.
Oh, the leader of opposition, the biggest party, have left. Yes, mbusimanya nga abasuubuzi bali mu kwekalakasa yasazeewo kwekalakasa manya genda kuyimba man. This has been an event that has been there for a year. Mwaka mulamba. Already tables have been booked, venues have been booked, literally everything. So but none say as we know but we're not bothered. We're only here to say that Mr. Kyagulanyi is going to be on stage tomorrow in Great Britain because they're desperately wanting him. Thank you for the support. Bananga, anyone who can sing Bobi Wine's song, Limitwalo Jokum, Jakash, Sijanja, Jakash kat. Go out Lirango Limbara Bobi Wine or Ruman. Luona. Off your head. The accent makes me love you more. Thank you, Mutima Sano Kintu. Anybody who can sing Bobi Wine's song, please come here. Nkwe 100,000. Jemtwalo kumi Uganda. Cash money. You can sing that. So you just have to sing. You don't have to know how to sing as long as you know the words. That is all I want. As long as you can sing the song. If you don't know the words, that's for me. Me, I can sing more than 10 songs. Shafiq Menya. Send in a request. Twegweko and chat tomorrow. Thank you so much, Esther and chat Twegweko. Please be in time, 3 p.m. London time. If you guys come late, mugenda kubeera ne queue empanvu. Again, obasumbuwa kuyingira because there's so many people who want to pay at the door. Overman Esther Banaganda, they're always last minute people. So please be in time, 3 p.m. Omnyango jigenda kubeera miguleko 3 p.m. Anybody who has booked a table through me, please be in time. I will be there waiting for you. Okuba wa tickets abaguze zechirasha, abaguze tables through me. Muli banji nyonyo. Bega ili debambi mwanguwe. Temujja ku 7 mujja kuwa mundis organizing ze muko. Ochitegera mbega ili they come in time. Sobola kubeera nga history tugiwandiika sagala abantu bajje kumi bakube bufaananyi the venue has flopped mojje tukijuze. We are going to fill up Olara Ballroom to capacity. I am telling you guys, we are going to fill it in. We are going to fill up that place. As if that is not enough, we are going to fill it up to jifiringa ne wabwere bagobeya abantu. Nze me, Patricia, I've never been part of something that is not successful. Sichiberanga ko haram. Njagala ndicodinge me speaking these words. I have never. when it comes to mobilization, I have never been part of something that will not be successful. Nope. I don't care. I am going to show people that I'm good at mobilizing. That is all I know. I am not a good leader. I am not good at speaking. I'm not good at this, but I'm good at mobilization. But why Ntate has not been pushing this show? Is she coming? Mutima of Kintu, we are not 100% sure yet if Ntate has gotten the visa. We're only waiting between today and Charles Nalvega. I want everybody to understand that visa zebivolo zikola bweziti. You cannot apply months ahead of time. Tetobola. By now time scale, join up applying giramu for an event. For example, event ya 20th. Balina time scale girakuwa. And that is the only time you can put in those visas. We applied for emergency, like top tier. Twaganza for top tier. Ticket. Una ze. How Farida ze kuluyimba. Ask Farida to join. Jangu Farida tukuwe mwa kapela wano. Oba tomanyi, even if your voice is not good, it's okay. Bwe jangu obiyimbe yimba awonze kasito biyimba nga nkwe mtawo jokumi. I just want to know that people know these songs. So, abayimbe abatafunye visa. It's not the fault of waliwo benalabye nga bagamba already. Manya bana Uganda, they're always trying to change things and coming up. Banange sirina network mukama nyamba. Approve. And unable to add guest. That is right. Nawe doleta umbera. Bantu bagala bali misaka send can't be added to broadcast while a user is connecting. Okay, bagame muno cha connectinga. So, waliwo abatandise ebigambo. Oh, lashite balese Yangamulo. Yangamulo has been doing a lot of work. But nange, things don't work like that. If they accept, they can join the video. Send invitation. Atichiche nyo. Mama, ndo the network ya Farida teli mukujja. Fatuma tolina network kandi omuntu alina network. Tugezeeko omulala. Abantu genda ku TikTok. Abantu bakala kuyimba kayimba bawe sente. Luyimba lona luyina kuba lwonna naye you don't have to have a good voice. Gwe jangu buzi ne woyimba buyimbi nganze. Jangu tugende busabala. Benanzo Bernard, how are you my brother? Tomorrow I'm going to be sleeping at the same hotel like you. So tugenda kwegwa ko nyonyo kumata ngenda kubera nga nakededa. I was at the venue yesterday by the way. Naye sakukubideko because nabade mu rush. I just came to book. Nenvayo. MC Richie Atuse. International visitors are all flying in already today. There's lots of my friends from Germany, my friends from Sweden, my friends from Ireland. My God, it's going to be fun! Kasuja, Bettina, thank you so much, my friend. Njagala abantu mbalaga Kasuja nti I'm good at mobilizing. Ebirala byonna byogere. Naye Patricia, when it comes kuchi era Bettina ino kunkwasa ebivulu byonze mbambi ndi kwanze omuntu nkimuteeka mpaka kuwulira bubi. Paka natuuka n'akyagala by force by fire. Oba sina network bana musubiddwa sente tugenda ku TikTok. If we fail here nga tugenda ku TikTok kubanga Facebook is just being silly now. Kubanga nze njagala gaba mitwalo jange 10 anybody who can sing Bobby one song. So anyway guys, this is that. So I just want to prepare. Nzomanyi I don't lie. So if Chance Nalvega is not on stage and Gabi Ntate, please do understand it has nothing to do with the organizers. It has nothing to do with Bobby Wine. It has everything to do with the UK Embassy. UK Embassy bayaye. Patricia, use another phone and put TikTok. Some of us, it's hard to be on. Shut. Nicole, TikTok is the new Facebook, my friend. Facebook, you have called the anti-whatever. Sindika invitation, people are not even coming. I don't even know what's going on. I don't know if it's my phone. I don't know what I want. Nembalaba wano he's adding, which means it's network. Kyokka tenzikiriza kuteekako babiri. Thanks for your great. Yes, so today it's the kasiki. Leero katuli mu kasiki. Njagala ojja wano nyimbira kayimba ka Bobi Wine. Lwaleero lunaku lukulu okuva luli we nakulabayo. Naye nze sibimanya ebigambo kati nze njagala gw'ojje byonna obiyimba ekigambo ku kigambo nkuwa emitwalo gy'okkumi bang. Nina wano akakadde kalamba kakugaba. If we fail here nga tugenda ku TikTok. Era ajja okungoberera ku TikTok. TikTok is this is Patricia. This hyphen is hyphen Patricia. Shalom ye yajinkolera. So, ye TikTok handle yang. This is Patricia. If you come, we have two fading one. Ngenda kugaba mtwalo 10. Aga mtwalo 10. Follow me ku TikTok. Ngenda kubera one another 20 minutes. Tugenda ku TikTok. Ngende mbawe mtwalo 10. Nina kakade kalamba kakugaba leero. Atana aluyimba with a good voice ye muwabiri. Aluyimba with a good voice ye muwabiri. Aluyimba bigambo 10. Tuzigabe abana bebalimanya tebali tuwa. Thank you everyone. Abagenda okuja Bettina, please banange mbeere mu time. Pamkawa, thank you so much. Sente za ticket twazifunye. Pamkawa teyasobodde kujja naye yaguze ticket for someone. So ngenda kuwaako omuntu nina katine ticket gwenjagala ojigabira. Anybody ali London nga toyina ticket, nina ticket ya pound 10 ku meza. If you want a ticket, come onyimbiremu akayimba ka Bobi Wine. I'm not giving it for free. If you can sing Bobi Wine's song, you don't have to have a good voice. You just have to sing bang 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 obise. Womala bisa nze nga nkuwa emitwalo gy'okkumi. Jokka. Sorry, wobera London nga obadde oyagala okujja ku Kivulu nenga toyina kasente. Pamkawa yaguze ticket ya pound 10. If you can sing Bobi Wine's song, I give you that ticket for free. Ate ya meza. Ate meza jogenda okutulako eriko ba Lodi. Ba mtoto wa Lodi bava Bulaya, bavulinye ennyonyi. Hululu. Akaviri ati mwakalabi. Akaviri keeko mukazi wange. Mukwano nino budde ndi mu mudu ndowooza gwe. Sing Nubian. Banange bigenda. Let me tell you something. This event is going to be good. I can feel it. I know it. I know so. Ekyo chochi kiriko kubuza. Mugenda kukiraba live on my Facebook account. Bosa agenda kubeera live kusegirinya Muhammad Jebi Muwonge buli page gy'omanyi nti ya national unity platform well approved season ez'abanyampi zonna zigenda kubeera live nga zitokota gw'osalawo oyo oyagala. Mulimu basaamu gudu teba promoting the Kivulu kino because they said mbwe Kivulu bakiteekamu Patricia. Kivulu kiwali yakinteekamu nze nakyeteekamu. I wanted everybody to understand nze ndi volunteer. I'm always an activist. Nze ekintu kyonna ekikwatagana ne Kyagulanyi national platform Nubian League, anything that includes Kyagulanyi's name, I am there. You don't have to request me. You don't have to pay me. You don't have to be part of me. No. Nzo onsaba busabi manya ndaba bulabi wali ka flyers kasitana kalaba ku page y'omukulembeze awo ekiwakyode tewali yanteekamu era tewali yansaba kukibeeramu nze yakyeteekamu. Ekyo mbadde njagala to clear that. Kangezeeko okuleeta katomoze naye kyemba mumanya network oba Facebook yange yeganye. I don't know oba settings zange because I have a new phone so I don't know. Busiru toba wabudde sisobola Vicky era abo ababadde batambuza olugambo eyo undercover nga bakubira abantu baba recording those people who are calling the people telling them that mwalese Patricia. That's why simanye Kivulu kisaze nga kisala kiti inze Patricia wakiri sikwata abaana ku train nembabuuza mulagawa muje tugende ku auto olaga nja kuyimirira wali ku station Greenwich nga wenga bafla gundi hallo jangu tugende mu auto hallo aba Nigeria bendese bebati nza buli weekend badde nsiba mu bivulu bya Nigeria nga flyers and people were buying tickets. What are you talking about? Me to be part of something that is not successful? Why and how? temutubuulira nammwe nze that is one thing I know for sure. Nja kwetika abantu wakiri ku mutwe mbaleete ndakusitula bbaasi. Nakolanga bbalamu ngamba bwayo olw'ekkumi gyantu tugende mu kivulukya wakiri naagenda mbalokole ne bagamba tugende mu kivulukya kijjule bweti. It's going to be full, and that is only a joke, guys. But all you should know is Ugandans have bought their tickets. That I am sure. Because remember, kati nze njogera mu capacity nganze zentunze inze. I'm comfortable. For me. Jose atunda. Ashalava atunda. Mosha atunda. Uncle Dan Luga atunda. The entire shenanigans, bossa atunda. Tickets have been sold. Ewa Richmond, ewa Mugenzi Pascali, mkama mumze ekihumuro ky'emirembe. If I can sing 70% of his song, nja kwaye cheta ne tugende ku TikTok, but because Facebook eganye ku adinga up abantu. Tugende ku TikTok. So kamumpayo 20 minutes wano. My handle, can somebody pam kawa mbade nkusaba? Da guda yiga. Hey, guda. Woyimba ngena kuwa ticket ya £10. Tugenda ku TikTok. Pam mbade nkusaba mpandikire wano TikTok handle yange abantu bangoberere. This is Patricia. It's very easy. This is Patricia. Come to TikTok tuyimbe nine mitwalo 10. Asobola kuyimba ekiga oluyimba la Bobi. Aluyimba 70% nyamuwa ekyetano. Omuna Uganda ali ebungereza nga tannagula ticket ng'oyagala ticket ku mmeeza pamkawa yaguze ticket ya £10. Eyo nayo ngenda gigaba. If you can sing Bobi one song, I'm not giving you for free. Sija gigaba for free. Come sing the song. Nkuwepa ticket ye ya meza ate meza eriko abaloodi egenda kubeerako abakwano gange the flying in from Switzerland, Geneva, abalala bava Ireland. This kiriko ekigambo at this is Patricia. Thank you so much Vicky Diaries. Mugende mu following ku TikTok kati then tugende ku TikTok ngabe sente zino because nazenga zagaba sad oluyimba tewali kuluyimbirako background oluyimba olwaleero lunakulukulu akuva luliwe nakulabako nofuuka nti obere owange lwaleero kati bunyolo kati ngenda kwa just 20 minutes wetumala wano nga tugenda ku TikTok ng'oyimba akayimba ka Bobi nga nkwaye mitwalo gyo 10 ng'oyingira weekend nga ensi etambula. Pamkawa akataddeko TikTok is at this is Patricia. Thank you so much. TikTok anti chovola pam kwaganya. Anyway, ngamaliriza Facebook because I know your Facebook live esigalawo. I have WhatsApp you today. I need to inquire from you kindly. I need you to talk during free time. Thank you so much, Georgie, violinist njakudamu as long as togena kumbuza bya kuja London because kati switch yange yone eri mu bya Chivulu. Everything it has to be Chivulu oriented. Everything kati chenjogerako chanja. Cha Chivulu. After Saturday ku Sunday mumpemo lunaku malo okukakana kubanga kigenda kubeera kyamaanyi awo nga tuddayo ku Monday nga tuddayo ku mirimu. Thank you so much Ivan Bruce. Study kono wadde kameka. Negwe kyobomanya nti enviri nazisibye. Shirala akagoye nakaguze. Akagatto katya. Ekivulu nkitaddemu. Ngenda kusula ku hotel ya I'm coming with my daughter. Nakowa abana Uganda abakadde munyo bukadde. I'm coming with my Brianna. Nakowa wanagana nzija nzika. Kato, we hope the security is good. Yes. First of all, people need to understand what to it was security. It's clean security. Clean. Good. Simana Nigeria aba pulling abantu, pulling them around and shouting. No. It's good, clean English security. Ataba clean English. Era kugamba. Next door, please. Next door, please. Wait a minute, please. They put order. But they put you in order. Tugambire ku Jennifer akendezo kambwe. Tugambire ku Jennifer nti ekibuga kyaffe. He's going to sing for 2 hours starters. Agende mu commercial break anabeko akyuse akomewo another 2 hours. Ngera mukyalina kye mutubanja? Temulina kye mutugamba. There is meet and greet. If you want to meet and greet Bobi Wine, kwekubya ku bifaananyi, please be in time. Ayagala ekirala kiki. Arthur Tony nsanyusa okukolaba, my friend. Thank you everyone. Banange mwebale obuwagizi. Nze situuka. Ime nache yune. Sing for the badman from Kama. Badman girl from Kamocha. Kamocha. Ananana Kamocha. Tante. Atana mkwano ganga singa kwagala kano. Yako kake kamulese. Namusangendeba. Ngensi apala. Nemubuze fyalibo. Na. People need to understand, I used to be a chameleon supporter. So, honestly, I didn't know Bobi Wine's songs. But me, I support the Bobi Wine now. By the way, I'm going to take my time. Intercontinental Hotel security is over good. I'm working with one of the hotel branches in another country. You must, the security is good. Kato is going to be there. Kato Chimera is going to be there at the airport. Those who want to pick up the president today, please be alert. Tegeka kagoyeko obere alert, because ngenda kuandika. The reason as to why tetuna fulumya mawulire on how to pick up the president is because tuli disorganized as Ugandan. I had to take out pressure kubintu kati chicha agenda mpola ne tugenda kuchifulumya abagala ogenda kuchisawa. You can go and pick him up, and then he's gonna rest tonight and chagende ku stage bo agenda kwera video ziganye okwegattako naye nze ndowooza settings za simu yange. I think it's my phone settings. Send invitation. I think it's my phone. It's not. So guys, I got winning 100K. Come ku TikTok yange. This is Patricia. Ayagala kuwininga 200K ngomanye okuyimba oluyimba ddala mu ddoboozi ttuufu jangu owininge emitwalo 2. Aliye London nga tonagula ticket nga toyinaamu kasente jangu owininge ticket ya pound 10 by singing Bobi Wine song. Mwina kira kye mumbaaza. Nalabye bano ba Christine Nakagwa ba Mlodokayi awandiise ebigambo 7 Bobi Wine simanya what. They can't afford this show. They're not coming because they walina sente. That's why they talking bullshit. Naye ffe abalina sente tugenda tuwagire. Rose mutasobya. Njagala badinga n'ebiganye. Ndowooza settings za simu yange because I have a new phone. That's why. So I don't know what to do. So tugenda ku TikTok. Tujikolere ewange. Auntie Nelson bafans bo oba ba followers bo sibe bamu n'abange. They won't be the same, so they may not come ngewange. If that makes sense. How to send a request. Mwala wa Bobi. Tugenda ku TikTok. Bana mujja tugenda ku TikTok. Mbakunga kati kugenda ku TikTok. Mbakunga TikTok. TikTok. Akalimi kande ekaleta. TikTok. Amasa ganje gandi mukubo. Kankurindiri Bobi Wine. Kankane. Owedanindiri kano Bobi Wine. Kutabeko mukwano Bobi Wine. Amadina Bobi Wine. Yimba badman from Kamocha. It's straight for Kamocha. Your name on TikTok. Yeah, TikTok is This is Patricia. Pamka wateka mwe erin handle. This is Patricia. Obuyimba ngenda kuwiga. Kubanga mbale sibumanyi I'm not good at singing though. So I'm not a good singer. I'm just a good mobilizer. Handle this is Patricia. So come to TikTok or winning mtwale jokumi. Let's go. Thank you so much everybody. Jeff. Thank you. I'm giving away 100,000 for anybody who can sing Bobby one song. By the way, waliwo aba undercover ababadde bakube kintu kyaffe ne tugenda balaga nti tetukubika. Ekirala nalabye bagamba abamuseveni batesimanya abamuhoti bwati ne bagamba those are all diversions. So today, in case ngampangu the ticket, nsobola gigaba. Yes, sechands of course. Janku TikTok oyimba kayimbako ticket yo tujigabe. Nayo kusinga ngaba mitwalo 10. Aliya Uganda ngena mu mitwalo 10 if you can sing Bobby one song. If you can sing it to the tune, ngo manyo kuyimba ne doboze dungi nkuwa 2. Woba manyi just bigambo nkuwa 10. Woba oli London ngo manyi bigambo era nkuwa ticket ya pound 10. Muina kye mumanja. Like me, I take yours without listening to music. Ochtegera nange, I can't sing, bananga, I can't sing. I can sing in church, but I can't sing. Sally Muhammad, let's go to TikTok, guys. Let's go to TikTok. Thank you so much, everybody. We're going to TikTok. Tap. Pati baliba tamivu na baleke bajja kuba bulungi. Katugenda ku TikTok. If you can, this is the reason as to why we're going to TikTok. I wanted to give money here on Facebook. Na Facebook eganyo ku adinga. So I'm giving away 100,000 if you can mime Bobby one song off the tune. Like it doesn't matter. You don't have to have a good tune. You just have to know the words. Oyo nejokumi cash. Na million number njigaba leero. Nyenda kama mtwala abiri for anybody who can sing, who knows how to sing. It was nga manyo kuyimba. Emitwala abiri wo yimbo luyimba la Bobby Wine ngo luyimbide ku tune. Nina pound 10 London here. If you want a ticket, pamka wayajiguze pound 10. If you don't have a table obanga toina ticket, ngenda gaba pound 10 oje olabe omuyimbi wo. Chichawe kubanga muntu leero ayimba oluyimba lwa Bobby Wine oyaba muyimbi we. Norecho sagala ofire mu gallery ofire munju stress nga tozze tugende ku TikTok ngabe send. Thank you everybody. The handle ngamaliriza, the handle is at this is Patricia. At this is Patricia. Come follow and enjoy. Let's tick tack now.
Kakwaniriza His Excellency elected President of Uganda Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine era nga tulinaye bulungi nnyo mu bitundu ebya London. Bana London President alina mmwe banange mumwanirize omulago omukwano mumubudebude mumulago okwagala anti gwe tulinawo omulwanyi waffe omukulembeze waffe His Excellency alina mmwe mu bitundu ebya London. Tunaba basanyufu era tunaba beeyanvu nnyo okubanga President waffe mumulaze okwagala ate n'omukwano ogw'ekimemete.